Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Your lady here, Deborah. So on today's video, I'm going to take you through a journey of us as ladies. You know, it's summer, we're going to be on those hills. For some, it's like a disaster for ladies to walk in heels, which is not supposed to be like that. So I'm just going to share with you 3 tips that I normally use that makes me be able to walk in heels like I'm walking in a park. Okay, I can't even run in them. So stay with me until the end as I share this tip. The number 1 thing that you have to work on is that make sure that your lower body is fit, it's strong, so that there's 3 exercises that you can do on daily basis to get you working on that part of your body. The first one is calf raising. So you got to learn to raise your calves every now and then. That exercise will help strengthen your lower body. I've just demonstrated how it's done on the side. So probably you got to do like 100 of these calf raisings every day so that you get your body good. You can do them on a stair, you can do them on a higher level ground, or you can do them on a plain ground, but make sure that you do at least 100 of them on daily basis. The second tip is that you got to learn to walk on your balls and not on your heels, because every time you walk in heels, your lower part of your legs are the ones that are supposed to be carrying the entire body weight. So if you try to walk on your heels while you're wearing high heels, you set up for a disaster. So you got to learn to train that area down there to be strong enough to carry your entire weight. So there are these other exercises that are just demonstrated here that will help strengthen your balls. They're going to help you be strong in that area. Those muscles are going to be able to stand the weight of your entire body. So for you to master this so well, you've got to do a lot of relays and elays. This is kind of gymnastics language, I guess. So for the elays, you go on your tippy toes without bending your knees. For the relays, you bend your knees and go all the way to the tippy toes. And for this exercise, you can do as many as you want. It's not restricted. You can do it throughout the day. And for the last tip, you've got to stretch your arches. This will help you be comfortable with walking in heels when that area is stretched. You know, your legs as a woman have to be pointed, they don't have to be straight. Even when you take pictures, celebrities, you see that the legs they're like that, they're pointed. So you got to learn to stretch those muscles. It's very good if you're still young, don't stretch. But if you're old, you're just going to get used to the pain in that area, so that when you go wear heels for a longer period of time, you don't get irritated by that pain that you feel on your each heel. This will even make your posture look longer. So if you're a lady, you're into heels, consider the ones that are comfortable for you. Do these exercises so that you can take longer in your heels. You know, it's quite disgusting seeing you in heels this minute, then after 10 minutes you're all walking in pumps. Doesn't look good. So go ahead, do these exercises. It's summer already and we're going to go to vacations, we'll be attending events. You got to be ready. Exercise that lower body, look good. Those are the 3 main tips that you have to work on to make it in walking in heels. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click on the red subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how the exercise is handling you. How are you coping with everything? And let's go and master that catwalk and walk in those heels like a pro. See you in my next videos. Ciao for now. Bye.